In this video, I'm gonna answer the questions, can you add music to Instagram post after posting it? So in order for me to demonstrate that to you guys, what I'm going to do is show you. So I'm here in my profile right now. As you can see, I have posted quite a lot. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the photo. So we're going to go ahead and click this one right here. Now, here in this photo, what we are going to do is edit it first. We are going to go ahead and tap this one, and then we're going to go ahead and click where it says edit. So after clicking the edit button right here, what we are going to do is click this one here. It says add music. I'm going to tap that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and choose, say for example, this first option right here. So as you can see, we're able to add music if it is a photo. So I'm going to tap this one and click that once more. Alright, and then as you can see, this post has music already. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the videos. So I have this video right here. As you can see, it doesn't have any music right now. We're going to do the same process. I'm going to tap the three dots, click the edit button, and as you can see, when I do that one, there isn't any option for me to be able to add some sort of music in here. So if I go ahead and click the advanced settings, you can see that it only has this CC or closed captions. Now if I were to close it and look for others here, you can see that it doesn't have that option. So to sum this up, this is only possible if you are going to do this for photos, not on videos. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.